Do you want to speak English fluently but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you a simple way to learn English step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Part 1. Change your mindset first. You must understand one important thing. Learning English is not difficult, but it takes practice. Many people think, my English is weak, I can't learn. But that is not true. You can learn English just like you learned your mother language slowly, every day. Part 2. Learn daily words. Start with small steps. Learn only 5 to 10 new English words every day. For example, good morning, thank you, happy, food, water. Try to use these words in your daily life. If you don't use them, you will forget them. Part 3. Practice speaking. Speaking is the most important skill. Even if you are alone, speak English with yourself. For example, I am going to work. I am eating food. I am learning English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Part 4. Listen every day. Listen to English every day. You can watch YouTube videos, movies, or listen to simple English audio. At first, you may not understand everything, but your brain will slowly learn. Part 5. Think in English. Try to think in English instead of your own language. For example, when you see water, think water, not your native word. This will make your brain faster in English. Conclusion. Motivation. Remember, English is not learned in one day. It is a journey. If you practice just 20 to 30 minutes every day, you will improve very fast. So start today, stay consistent, and never give up. You can do it.